Hi everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a project share. I'm super excited. This project took me a little bit longer than I wanted it to, but I'm finally done and I'm getting ready to pack it up and send it to my pal Creations by April here on YouTube and Instagram, and I'll leave her information down below. Hopefully she has an unboxing, and let's get started. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through some of my packaging, and then I'll do my embellishments and then my main project. So I have this tag die here, and this is from Allie, and this is actually my friend Olga had bought this for me. I just want to show you how awesome this tag is. I put a whole mini embellishment box in this. Look how cute this is. So in here I put this little embellishment box. I don't even know where I got this from, but hopefully she opens it and you'll see that on camera. But I did a little layering, kept it fairly simple because I want it to slip in here. And how awesome is this tag that holds a box? I did a little layering over here, just a little flag, banner. I'm obsessed with banners. I'm like totally obsessed with banners. But anyways, just a little layering, and then a little stitching details on the front. We agreed to use all hearts, and only because I have not played with the collection, and since there was no new Valentines, I'm kind of trying to be a good girl and use what's in my stash and have less like crafty FOMO and like need to buy new collections. I try to use my stash, but I also have this little box that I decorated here. This is a box that I just got. I don't know, I had in my stash forever, so I finally used it. Again, another little banner here, some heart cluster, rosette, and I just kind of love how this came out. I added a little tassel on the top for some fun because, you know, we always need a little pizzazz. And this is a very plain envelope that I had in my stash, and this is from Target that I bought maybe a while ago, but I had so many, and I was like, okay, you have to stop hoarding, you need to use it. But I wanted to personalize it for my house, so I took thickers. Of course, who doesn't have a million thickers in their stash? So I took some thickers, and then I just went to Sew Town on this, and I loved how it came out. I think it just really personalizes it, and you know, the hollow, perfect with all hearts. So that is that, and then we'll just get into the embellishments. So here are some bag toppers that I created. I had shown a video on some shaker Polaroids. I'm loving this look and embellishment. And this one I did create a little shaker star. And then I put some tails on it just to give a little sweetness. Again, with this hollow doily. I just think it's so cute. This collection is so fun. I love my telephone embellies. I love this die. It is called Call Me by Jelly Bean Soup. And yeah, it is such a sweet little embellishment. I'm just going to take this out just so you could see it better. It is on a, it's double. I just backed it with 110, and I put a little heart rosette, and then I just backed the rosette with some pom-pom trim because I thought it'd be a little oomph. And then I added this little, what do you call this, little heart that I added a tassel onto and just kind of layered it up. I think it's so cute. And then I tucked a little ephemera piece on both sides. This one I added a little star. Again, so cute. I love this die. I don't think I could ever get bored of this die. You can create it for all seasons, all occasions, Maggie Holmes, Valentine's Day, Christmas. I had created this. Look how cute that bag topper is. So simple. And I created these little itty bitty bows, and I'll leave the link down below. I just went around the bow with some thread, and I kind of love how this came out. They're so tiny. It was a little time consuming, especially because I cut it out in felt, and then I backed each bow with 110-pound cardstock. So it can kind of be like a sticker, an embellishment. You can use it on any projects. You know, it's not soft. It's actually stiff because of the cardstock, and I love how this came out. Even this paper is darling, right? Again, more bows. I made bigger versions and I put this on a graphic 45 tag die. I love this tag die. I use faux leather and felt. It's so cute. I love it. We have some rosette award banner kind of style embellishments. I had purchased these heart crepe paper rosettes from Crafty by Nature Gloria on Instagram, and I needed to use them. So I created these award kind of banners. I've done these in Maggie Holmes versions, and you know, it's funny because I was looking for inspo and I went to my Instagram page and I just so happened to like remember these embellishments and I was like, why not recreate them? So, and I love this heart rosette, and it's a die, and I'll leave that link down below as well. It's such a sweet die, especially for layering. I mean, it's just such a cute embellishment. Such a cute embellishment. And let's see. I also have, oops, this one is like runaway polaroid. I have this Polaroid shaker embellishments. I don't know if you can see it. It's a lot of glare. I'm sorry for the glare. But it's like acetate and baggy. I did use a Maggie Home chipboard embellishment, and this was inspired by Love Letter Generation, who's here on Instagram and YouTube. Alicia had shown these on her page, and I was so obsessed. And then I went on to create some more Polaroids. Again, great embellishments that she could use. I had shown these embellishments in a previous video. I used a Paige Evans cut file. And actually, these papers are a mix of Maggie Holmes and Valentine's. I realized I didn't have a lot of Valentine's and I didn't have a lot of crepe paper, all hearts. So I wanted to kind of, again, use what I had in my stash. I did seal them in these Project Light pockets, but there is a tassel hanging, and I did use this kind of like script font, and I love how that came out. I'm sorry for the glare, it's so sunny out. Not a bad thing, but also makes everything so hard to see. But I love these, they're so fun. They're all shakers and layered up. I also have these pins. It's a card, but it says, "You and me are glitter. Cupid is stupid, fries before guys." And then last but not least, it's my goal. I always try to kind of do a bucket list item with each swap. I think it's good to challenge yourself, and what better time to do so when you have a swap planned. So I had created this shaker French fry box using a cut file, and I leave that link down below. I love this pink Mylar paper. It is so stinking fabulous. Again, something I'd seen on Love Letter Generation's videos. She's killed it with the all hearts. So she was such an inspiration. Again, such a fun little shaker mix. Oopsie, runaway chocolate. And in here, I just wanted it to be like, instead of French fries, we've got sweets because it's Valentine's Day, even though it's March. And yeah, you got to spoil your pals with a little sweets. And then on here, I made a little dangle. I have this little fuzzy heart that I picked up from Allie, and then I attached it to this veil because I have so much knickknacks, and I'm like, I really need to use more of them. Why not make charms? This is another charm that I have purchased from Allie. This is a wire wrap that I totally made recently. I'm like obsessed with these, and I have a video showing my like charms and my bead collection. I'll leave that down below. I attached this little ball on the bottom. Look how fantastic this is. I love this. And then last but not least, I wanted to make this forever. I've seen so many versions of this on Instagram, and I knew I needed to make this for the all heart collection. I was itching. This is my actual second version of it. My first one was a total flop. I don't know why. SVGs are so, actually this is probably my third. I'm cut it so many times, and I'm so glad I finally figured it out. It is so fun. I did put some pom-poms. You can't really see it, but I mean, I did a little stitching, and I thought the black thread with the all hearts was just absolutely perfect. I just have to put a sticker there. But these were so fun. I loved making this. I totally make another one. And although the box is like wonderful, there's not much you can fit inside. It's not really that deep, but I think it makes such a perfect little desk decoration. I'm so happy I finally achieved this like bucket list item that I've been dying to do. So in there I included some shaker embellishments. Again, living that no foam life. I just cut them out in acetate and deco paper and just stuck sequins in there. And I figured my pal can go and decorate them or use them on a project. Who doesn't love the shakers already done for you? So these are super fun. And then I have a little memory decks here. I had a little tassel, a little butterfly, and I lay down the ruffle trim from Hobby Lobby. I'm obsessed with everything banners. Like, everything has to have a banner. So, and then I lay this big puffy heart that I have from my Yummy box. I have so many of these. I love these. And I just love adding the bling and the little ephemera pieces, and I just put a little resin flower just to give it a little extra. And then I just laid it with some heart bling. Again, shakers. Shakers. And that is it really for my project share. I hope you found inspiration, although the timeliness of it isn't the best during this tough time. You know what? We can all use a little bit of inspiration and happy mail joy, right? Be safe, everyone. Stay positive, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.